Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2090 Honda Crider Smart Key.
We need to prepare K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key produced by Lonsdor. Now, plug in the OBD communication cable. The first step is smart key generation, Honda, Crider. Select 4A's menu to generate the Honda smart key produced by Lonsdor. Put into the card slot, click Generate. Generation successful. Return to the main menu. All smart keys lost. Follow the prompts and click OK. Take all smart keys out of the car. Put a smart key in the car. Press the start button twice. See if you can turn on the ignition switch, because it is all key lost, so you can't turn on the ignition switch and click cancel. Long press the ignition switch and do not release it. The ignition switch is turned on. Release the start button. Because our original car key is 4A, click OK. Please enter the number of keys to program to. OK. OK. Take out other smart keys. OK. Put another smart key to be programmed inside the car. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Please check whether the security light is off. Turn off and click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Number of keys successfully programmed 2. Check if the key can be used normally. Click OK. Programming complete, OK. Now let's try to see if the key works. The first car key, step on the brake and press the start button. The first car key was successfully started. The second key, step on the brake and press the start button. The second key started successfully. Try again to see if the remote control is normal. First key lock car. Unlock. Second car key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2090 Honda Crider. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.